And here's the water pouring in through the red tape. And this is in July of 2021. So we still have major leakage problem, and the basement's pretty much full of water on the floor. It's completely flooded down here. We haven't had a rainfall like this for a long time, so I wasn't too worried about it because it's been so dry for so long, but I guess this has gotten worse. Our new neighbors are parking right by the window, and every time they do, the window moves in more. And I have a beautiful waterfall. Now I needed some nice plants here, and I'm all set. I just need to fill the pond down here. Put some pond liner or something. It wouldn't be so bad. But instead, my garbage are getting wet.